Hi, welcome to my channel. Hi, today's recipe is chicken pasty. Here are all the ingredients. Please pause and check. Add oil, finely chopped onions. Cook until they are softened. Add ginger and garlic. Add finely chopped tomatoes. Your chicken mincemeat. I have about 400 grams. Keep stirring. Cook until it changes its color. Keep the gas on medium. Add vegetables. If you don't want vegetables, you can have potatoes. Add all the spices and again keep stirring. The aroma here is absolutely amazing. Add methi, sweet corn, finely chopped chilies, and fresh coriander. The mixture is ready. Just keeping it on the gas to dry out. Here I have ready-made puff pastry. This is how you make the pasty. Cool down your mixture. Press it down with a fork. Place them on an oven tray and glaze with egg. Put it in the oven, gas mark 7, for around 20 minutes or until it all completely puffs up. Serve with green chutney. You can make a batch and freeze it. The result is amazing, excellent for guests. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. See you again.